I moved into my new apartment with excitement, ready to start a new chapter of my life. Little did I know that this place held secrets that would send shivers down my spine. The first strange thing happened in the kitchen. After unpacking, I noticed a spoon out of place. Puzzled, I put it back, thinking it was my tired mind playing tricks. Days passed, and odd things increased. Objects moved on their own. Books left on the coffee table ended up on the bookshelf. I felt unsettled and sensed I wasn't alone. One night, strange noises echoed through the walls. Creaks and whispers filled the air. A chilling draft extinguished my bedside lamp, and panic set in as I fumbled for my phone in the thick darkness. The following days brought vivid nightmares. A ghostly figure lurked in the shadows with hollow eyes. I tried to dismiss them as stress, but the unease lingered even when I was awake. One evening, preparing dinner in the kitchen, I glimpsed a fleeting shadow, the same ghostly figure from my dreams. Panic surged as it vanished, leaving me trembling and questioning my sanity. Desperation drove me to seek answers. I asked neighbors about the apartment's history. An elderly woman below shared a chilling tale of the previous tenant mysteriously disappearing, and rumors of the place being haunted. Skeptical but desperate, I researched local archives. Haunted by revelations, I documented experiences with cameras. Nightly reviews intensified anxiety as shadows danced, furniture moved, and strange sounds echoed. Undeniable proof left me paralyzed with fear. The ghostly figure became more tangible over weeks. No longer confined to dreams, it lingered, a constant reminder of tragic history. One night, the haunting reached a horrifying climax. I awoke to bone-chilling cold. The ghostly figure at my bed's foot, it reached out. A frigid touch on my skin. Paralyzed, I watched as its hollow eyes bore into my soul. In a whispered voice, it said, "Help me," the plea echoed, pleading for release from torment. Empathy replaced fear. Driven by understanding, I researched ways to communicate with spirits. Armed with candles and a makeshift Ouija board, I embarked on a risky endeavor to connect with the ghostly presence. The air thickening as candles flickered. With trepidation, I placed my hands on the planchette, ready to receive messages from the other side. The room fell silent as I called out to the spirit. Amazingly, the planchette moved, spelling a heartbreaking tale of lost love and betrayal. Determined to help, I delved into historical records, uncovering the tragic love story within these walls. Armed with this knowledge, I performed a ritual to release the spirit. As the final incantation left my lips, calm descended. With the spirit gone, the apartment transformed from fear to quiet solace. Mysterious occurrences ceased, and I found peace. The experience gave me an appreciation for unseen forces, reminding me that understanding and compassion unlock mysteries. After the spirit's departure, I shared my story. Discovering similar tales from former tenants, we organized a gathering, a seance to honor the spirits. Candles lit, we shared experiences, creating a bond that transcended living and departed. In the weeks after, the building's atmosphere shifted to shared understanding and healing. Chilling drafts and mysterious movements became memories, replaced by unity among occupants. It was as if spirits, finding resolution, left behind a legacy of unity and compassion. The paranormal journey left an indelible mark on my perspective. I became an advocate for acknowledging the supernatural, urging empathy over fear. The experience taught me that beneath seemingly ordinary lives, there may be undiscovered realms and narratives. My new chapter in the apartment became a testament to the transformative power of understanding and compassion. In the face of the unknown, there's room for connection and healing. The once default text, haunted dwelling, became a haven for the living and spirits, finding solace in our shared journey towards redemption.